Hi, this is a product review for the HydroPal 1200 milliliter, 1.2 liters. You can see on the bottom there. You can see this has been used for well over a year now, and it stood the test of time really well. Nice and solid, made of stainless steel. Like I said, it fits 1.2 litres of water and it's perfect for the gym. It's a really good size. This handle's really useful, use it all the time. The only downsides I'd say is this doesn't fit in a normal cup holder. You can see over time it does start to wear away. Now I've decided I have put it in the dishwasher, so that could be the reason. I don't put it on a high temperature. I don't recommend any more than sort of, I don't know, 50 degrees. But the spout that still works really, really well. This, you know now. Yeah. So I'll just twist this open. Comes with a spare one of these tubes. So this is the second one I'm on because I actually put the other one in the dishwasher and it warped it. So don't do that. I recommend using a brush. I think it comes with a brush set to clean this. And otherwise, there's no point me trying to show what's in there because I've got water in there, so that would be silly. Drinking like that is a little bit dodgy. But otherwise, this is a great water bottle. And you know what? It's a very reasonable price. It's not the cheapest on the market, but it's definitely one of the higher quality ones. And I've been through a lot of water bottles. So the fact that this has stayed with me for over a year now is impressive because the amount that I've lost, and this is a huge thing. I actually put an AirTag on mine to make sure I don't lose it, but because it can attach to this. But other than that, great little water bottle, or great big one.